number 10. Advanced Micro Devices, the second largest maker of PC processors, is trading higher on optimism that the sale of its campus in Austin, Texas, may help shore up its cash reserves. The company says it seeks to raise up to $200 million in a transaction that may close in the first quarter of next year, Dom.
Well, number 9, Betty, is Yum Brands. The owner of Taco Bell and KFC downgraded to neutral from positive at Susquehanna. Shares are sinking nearly 10% in the pre-market. It's also a China story. Same-store sales, they're going to be lower in the fourth quarter than they were last year, Josh.
And number 8 is Microsoft. The stock trading lower this morning. That's after the company says it plans to overhaul how it develops the flagship Windows operating system. It says Microsoft looks to keep pace with rivals Apple and Google. Microsoft aims to upgrade the software more frequently, about once a year, rather than every 2 or 3 years, as it's done in the past. Betty.
And at number 7 is Kohl's. That's the retailer taking a beating today after being downgraded to hold from buy at Deutsche Bank. November same-store sales were down over 5%, and total sales for the month were down about the same. The retailer has been on a downtrend for the past 3 years, or since Dom stopped shopping there. I'm going to take you shopping, Dom.
Take me shopping.
All right, from shopping to energy, number 6, Duke Energy. Longtime energy heavy hitter Jim Rogers is stepping down as CEO of Duke. It's all part of a long soap opera involving North Carolina regulators looking into issues over management changes at the company. He's leaving next year as part of a settlement. Josh.
And number 5, Regal Entertainment Group. I know Alix Steel is dying to see Les Mis, so she'll like this one. The largest U.S. cinema operator announced a special $1 a share dividend payable on December 27th. Regal joins the growing list of companies voting such payouts before tax rates rise. Betty.
And at number 4, Groupon. CEO Andrew Mason has been granted a reprieve by the Daily Deal site's board of directors. The stock's actually higher. It had been moving up this week on word that he might get the boot. Shares are down, though, 78% so far this year. Dom?
Well, let's stay with the internet. Zynga, shares of the social gaming maker, are taking a hit this morning after an announcement that it's loosened the terms of its long-standing alliance with Facebook. Alex, I know that you're watching those shares as well.
That's right, I am, Dom. Number 2 is Facebook. Not too much action in the stock on this news that it would make it easier for Zynga's competitors to vie for users on the world's largest social networking service. Betty.
Guys, yesterday we were talking about Kroger. Today, the number 1 stock is SuperValu. Talks to take the grocery store chain private have stalled. Private equity firm Cerberus is saying that it's having trouble obtaining the funds for a leveraged buyout. Potential lenders are concerned over how SuperValu will manage the increased debt load as revenue shrinks.